Hello, this is Daisy Gray with Sognia. We're a beverage manufacturer of natural hibiscus beverages, and today I will show you how to make a green tea cordial. For that you will need about 2 ounces of dried green tea leaves, about a half a cup of sugar, and for me, I love hibiscus. So what I do is I do add about an ounce of dried hibiscus to my green tea cordial. You take a teaspoon, you get about 2 teaspoons of the dried green tea leaves. And for this, you can add your hibiscus or not. The choice is yours. If you don't like hibiscus, you can leave that out. So you combine that with the green tea leaves. You combine that in a pot of boiling hot water and boil for about 30 minutes. Once it's completely boiled, you strain, let it cool, and add sugar. Once you have added all your on the stove and bring to a boil once again, this will begin to thicken and become a syrup. Once it's completely thickened, remove it and put in your refrigerator to allow it to cool. You can add seltzer water to it. You can drink it with plain water, or you can do it the way I like to do it, which is to make a slushie. Once your mixture is cool, you can enjoy as it is, add it to water or seltzer water. I like to make mine into a slushie. So you can freeze and enjoy as a nice, refreshing slushie. Thank you for watching. This is Daisy Gray with Sognia.